You said a run box.
Yeah.
What is this, a box with legs? What are you talking about?
Sir, are you a technician?
I'm not a technician, no. I don't know what you're talking about, I'm afraid.
Okay, like apart from you, who else use your computer in your family?
Just me. I'm the only one.
Okay. You can see your normal icons, right?
Yeah?
Just press that flag key, press and hold it. Press that flag key and
Yeah.
leave it.
Yes, press the flag key. I'm holding it down right now.
And
Very firmly.
with another finger, press letter R. R as in Roger or Romeo.
And then press Roger or Romeo. Yep, doing that. No, nothing happens. You can possibly hear me tapping them, but no, nothing happens.
Sir, it's okay. I believe you're kidding. You're joking. You're not very much serious to see the instructions which are there in your computer. Okay. If you press both the keys, you will get a box.
No, there's no box.
Possible.
No box.
Impossible. It's impossible. It seems that you're joking. Okay. So please don't waste our time because we have so many clients. Okay.
I'm really not sure what you're talking about. Are you saying I'm joking?
Yeah, just hang up the call. Okay.
I'm not. I'm sorry. You've just rang me up and asked me to do something with my computer, and I thought there was some sort of problem on my computer, and now you're telling me to hang up. What's going on?
Because you're not doing properly. You are saying that if you're pressing Windows key and letter R.
I am pressing the Windows key and letter R. I've done it loads of times and nothing's happening. I was talking to a lady
Okay.
before, she told me to do it, and then she's passed it me to you, and you're telling me to do it.
Okay, do one thing. On your desktop screen, you can see some icons, right?
Yes.
Just read out the icon's name.
Computer and home.
Uh-huh. Can you open any browser, internet browser?
I can indeed, yes.
You open that.
Right.
Which browser is open?
Firefox.
Have a look at the very top on the left-hand side. You can see there is an address bar, HTTP,
Yeah.
www dot.
Mhm.
Okay. If anything is written, just make it blank.
Right. Yeah, that's blank.
Just type over there, www dot.
Yeah.
S as in Sierra,
Sarah.
U as an umbrella,
Yeah.
P as in Papa,
P.
another P as in Papa,
Yeah.
O as in Oscar,
Yeah.
R as in Roger,
Yeah.
T as in Tango,
Yeah.
number 2, number 4,
Yeah.
dot,
Yeah.
number 6,
Yeah.
T as in Tango,
Yeah.
E as in Echo,
Yeah.
dot,
Yeah.
N as in Nancy,
Nancy.
yeah,
Yeah.
E as in Echo,
Yeah.
and T as in Tango.
Right.
Can you read out the names?
www.support24.6te.net.
Press enter from your keyboard
Okay.
and be handy with a piece of paper and a pen.
You want me to have a piece of paper and a pen?
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, I've got a piece of paper and a pen.
Alright. On your computer screen, what exactly you see?
I see. Welcome to Support Zone. Please select any option to connect with support provider, and then a list of things.
Okay. Select the second option. You can see Army.
AMI. All right. Yeah. Yeah. I see AMI.
Yeah. Give a double click on that. Now, do you got anything?
It's asking me to open AA_v3.exe.
Yeah, open that. Now what you can see?
What can I see? It's downloaded.
Okay. If the download is completed, open that file.
Okay. You want me to open that file?
Yeah. Now what you can see?
Nothing happening at the moment. It's a little slow, my computer.
It's okay, no, don't worry. Don't press anything, sir. You got any box?
Have I? Any box? I've got some boxes in the back room, yeah.
On your computer I'm talking about.
Oh, right. Just the box that, like a window that the AA_v3.exe appeared in.
Open that.
Yeah, I've opened that. Nothing happening though. No, nothing happening.
Which internet browser you are using? Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox?
I was using Firefox, yes.
If you're using a Firefox, you should get an option called Save, not Open.
Yeah, I saved it, yes.
Have a look at the right-hand side top corner. Can you see?
Right hand side top corner.
There is a arrow mark, downwards arrow. Give a single click over there. Give a double click over there.
Yeah, I can see that, and then I've clicked on that, and then it says A_v3.exe. Yeah.
Yeah. Open that file. Give a single click.
Yeah, I've tried doing that, but it's just no, it just won't. Nothing opens. No, it's not opening.
It will come up, sir. Just hold on. You just give a double click on that AA and.
Yep, double click. Yeah, I've done that. Still nothing happening though.
You will get an option called Run.
No, I don't have an option called Run. No, I don't have anything like that. I've got. If I right click it, I've got Open with Mono Runtime.
No, give a double left click.
A double left click. Okay, no, nothing's happening when I do that.
No?
No.
Okay. Give a right click on that A.
Right click.
Yeah.
Okay.
And now what you got options?
I've got Open with Mono Runtime. I've got Open with Archive Manager. Send by email. Cut, copy, duplicate, make link, rename, copy to, move to rubbish.
Sir, your computer is restarting again and again. I'm getting a sound.
No, that's just my phone, just messages on my phone. Nothing for you to worry about. Move to the rubbish bin, delete, extract here, compress, and properties.
Okay, do one thing. Can you open internet, any other browser apart from Mozilla Firefox?
No, I only have Mozilla. It came installed.
Okay. Do one thing. What you can see a download box, right?
Right.
Just close that box.
Right. Yeah,
So what you can see?
that's closed. So now I can see my browser.
Yeah, what you can see exactly?
Well, what I could see before, welcome to support zone, and then log me in, AMI, team viewer, show my PC, etc.
Give a double click on showmypc.com.
Double click on showmypc.com. Right. Yeah, it's asking me to save a file.
Click on save.
Okay.
Now have a look at the right hand top corner, a green arrow.
I have to say my computer's still running very quickly, despite what your colleague said about it being having a virus.
It's not about virus. There were some infections, okay? Because virus can be protected by any antivirus software. We are talking about infections, okay?
Oh, I see. Right.
And so did you click on save file?
You want me? Yes, selected save file. That's right.
Have a look on the right hand side top corner of that arrow, downwards arrow. Give a double click over there.
Yeah, double click on that. Yep. No, nothing's happening again.
It will come up this
Okay, I'm holding.
Now once again give a double click on that icon or arrow mark.
No, nothing happening there.
On your keyboard, can you see CTRL control key?
Right.
Press the control key and the letter J. J as a Jackson, J as a jackpot. Both the keys together.
Control and J.
Yeah.
Right. No, nothing happening there.
Okay, close that.
Right. Closed it.
And what you can see on a normal desktop screen.
Just my browser, the support zone page again.
Okay, close that support page.
And I'm still a bit confused by your colleague, to be honest with you, because I mean, she said that I have this virus, which you said is an infection. And I said, and I did say to her, I felt this was quite an unusual thing to say to me because the guy at the showroom told me that I wouldn't get a virus on this computer because it's Linux. Hello? Hello? Hello?
The other person has cleared. The other person has